Kamusta? Magandang araw! Nandito na naman tayo upang mag-aral ng math. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa multiplication and division of fractions. Ang fraction ay mga numbers na nagre-represent ng bahagi ng kabuuan. Ito ay may numerator at denominator. So, katulad ng mga real numbers, pwede tayong mag-perform ng mathematical operations sa fractions. Ngayon, subukan natin ang multiplication ng fraction. Para daw makapag-multiply tayo ng fraction, nagmo-multiply tayo numerator by numerator, then denominator by denominator. So, if we have 3/4 times 2/5, so i-multiply muna natin yung 3 times 2, which is 6, and then 4 times 5, which is 20. Ngayon, kapag kaya pa natin siyang i-reduce sa lowest term, i-reduce natin siya sa lowest terms. So, in this case, pwede nating i-divide ang 6 at 20 by 2, parehas. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, our final answer is 3/10. Practice pa tayo ng iba. So, we have 4/5 times 3/8. Again, numerator by numerator, 4 times 3 is 12. And 5 times 8 is 40. So, dahil pwede pa natin siya i-reduce sa lowest terms, i-divide natin siya sa by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3 at 40 divided by 4 is 10. So, ang final answer natin ay 3/10. Another one, we have 1/6 times 4/7. So, ito, multiply natin 1 times 4 is 4 and 6 times 7 is 42. Again, pwede natin siyang i-reduce sa lowest term. Divide natin sa 2. So, we have 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 42 divided by 2 is 21. Ngayon naman, mag-move on tayo sa division of fraction. So, para ma-divide natin yung fraction, una daw nating hanapin is yung reciprocal ng divisor. Then, we multiply to the dividend. Pag sinabi natin reciprocal of a fraction, ibig sabihin nun, yung nagpapalit yung numerator at denominator. Bago tayo mag-divide, let's find the reciprocal of the following. So, 3/4, ang reciprocal niya ay 4/3. So, we have 2/5, ang reciprocal niya ay 5/2. Kapag meron naman tayong 1/7, ang reciprocal niya ay 7/1 or simply 7. At pag meron naman tayong whole number, 9, ang reciprocal niya is 1/9. Yan, mag-divide na tayo. So, we have 3/7 divided by 1/2. Una natin gagawin na isusulat muna natin yung 3/7 ulit. And then, hanapin natin yung reciprocal ng 1/2, which is 2/1. Pwede rin namang 2 lang. And then we multiply. 3 times 2 is 6, and 7 times 1 is 7. So the final answer is 6/7. Let's have another one. We have 4/9 divided by 8/9. So, i-rewrite muna natin yung dividend, 4/9, at hahanapin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor, which is 9/8. So, i-multiply natin, 4 times 9 is 36, and 9 times 8 is 72. So, pwede natin siyang i-reduce sa lowest term. So, 36 divided by 36 is 1, and 72 divided by 36 is 2. So, ang final answer natin is 1/2. Let's try some more. We have 2/5 divided by 3. So, i-rewrite muna natin si 2/5 and then hanapin natin yung reciprocal ng 3, which is 1/3. Saka natin sila i-multiply. So, 2 times 1 is 2 and 5 times 3 is 15. Now, let's have another example. We have 15/12 divided by 3/10. So, una, i-rewrite muna natin si 15/12. And then, find the reciprocal of 3/10, which is 10/3. Saka natin sila ipag-multiply. So, basically, dahil malaki siya, no, pwede tayong gumamit ng shortcut method which is cancellation. Kung saan, titingnan natin kung yung pwede ba tayong mag-reduce pa, no, into smaller number. So, how it works, ganito yon. Yung 15 at saka yung 3, so sila yung magka-partner. Hahanapin natin ang anong number ang pwedeng i-divide pareha sa kanila. So, kung meron, cancellation would work for them. So, in this case, yung 15 at 3, divisible sila pareha sa 3. Kaya, 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now, dahil na-simplify na natin siya, dito naman tayo sa 12 and 10. Since pwede natin siyang i-divide sa 2, so we have 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, we multiply 5 times 5 is 25 over 6. So, kung siya na ang lowest term, we will leave it as 25 over 6. Pero yung iba, pwede siyang i-change into mixed number. Pwede din naman yan. Ang multiplication at division ng fraction ay related sa isa't isa. Kasi ang ginagamit din natin sa division after finding the reciprocal is multiplication. So, we need to understand these processes kasi maraming gamit ito sa ating araw-araw na pamumuhay. Sana may natutunan kayo. Salamat! Hanggang sa muli!